So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see we have reversing sensors. The whole of the back of the vehicle has been ply-lined, as you can see, and we have that full metal bulkhead separating the cargo area from the 6 seats in front of it. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and cooling temperature gauge. And beneath that, it will show you what gear the van is in. It's an automatic, and we're in park at the moment, of course. Above that, we have the trip computer section, which includes the total miles. They are 12,857. And we have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information for various different bits of trip computer, fuel economy and van information by using buttons on the steering wheel, and those buttons are just here on the right hand side. We have stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left hand side here, along with cruise control and speed limiter as well. And then in the center we have the touch screen for the van, so you can pair up your phone, hit add phone,
search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from there. We can come back out to the home screens. This is where you can access your audio menu, your music. We have the radio, of course, AM, FM and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired up your phone, of course. And we have 2 separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up here as further options. One of those devices is directly in front of the steering wheel here, along with a 12-volt charging socket. And the second also has a 12-volt charging socket next to it, and it's down here. Next to which, you can find the air conditioning for the van. So you can adjust the fan speed from here, the temperature, of course, from this dial, and the direction the air is being distributed in. Once you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is off or on when that light shows just there. The button above that will recirculate the air that's currently in the van. So this button here. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set, of course. We've also got heated mirrors, a heated front screen, heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, and heated passenger seat, again with 3 different heat settings. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The plus and minus button on the right hand side here will enable you to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.